All right, guys, welcome to a case study of the trade I caught this morning. Nice one before London Open. Great trade following my kind of messy uh bias, but nonetheless, it followed my bias, had everything, early sellers, break structure. However, the entry had no return to discount. I will show you in a second, but with the entry drill, we got in by zero point 0.1 pip, I think. Yeah, actually made a little mistake, but we'll show you. All right, so higher time frame wise, we'll break it down. Where are we? Where do we want to go? We took previous monthly lows, previous weekly lows, and previous daily lows on Monday, and then price basically formed bullish structure. As you can see, we got that break over here. And if we go to the 50-minute, it's even more clear. We can see that we have this break, higher high, higher low, higher high, and we were still inside this range. Then we had structure realignment. That's why I was initially looking for longs from this area. But then I thought like, nope. Or, well, I thought, and it was not like I didn't want a long there, but we didn't get a confirmation, sorry. And therefore I looked for low pricing, waited for low pricing. And essentially we waited for the London swing. So to say that London session swing, pre-Frankfurt and Frankfurt Open push price down below that liquidity. And I said I want to look for longs below that liquidity, um, while still aiming for these highs and this high and still following this structure. Now, if we zoom out one more time, we can also see that we wanted to reach a premium on this bearish range from this high down to this low. We also know that there was quite high momentum to the downside, so that premium might not be reached. Therefore, we were looking to trade on the most recent structures, which is from this this high down to this low. Now it's looking like it's not even reaching that one, or sorry, this high down to this low, because we got a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low. And for now, we can see that price reached into that premium and then continue down. Now, if you go to the 1 minute time frame, actually on the 5 minute, we can see it already, but let's go to the 1 minute. Actually, let's go to the 5 minute. Inside the range, we have our early buyers over here. So we get a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. Bullish break, return to discount. Bullish break again. Bearish break, so early buyers taken out. They want to, then you got some form of early buyers wanting to buy from this 5 minute PY that sits over here. Just gonna do it like this. Sorry, it's a bit messy. That sits over there. But we know better. We wait for liquidity grab. And then price comes below. And if you look on a 5 minute, we can see that we have a 5 minute market shift over here. But if you go to 1 minute where it's way cleaner, we can see that price gives this bullish break over here. Now we can also see that price didn't return to discount. As you can see, it didn't reach discount. However, if you look over here, we can see that 2 minute fair value gap like that. And zooming in, price just tapped into that and then continued up. So yeah, that's a trade. Then target wise, what are we targeting? Well, my TP zone is always between 1 to 4R, 1 to 5R. 5.2R, we had this Asia high. Even niet, ik ben heel veel bezig. Asia high. And then I saw that return. I saw price slowing down. I was like, okay, maybe I'm greedy because we're already in the 4R area. Oh, I got distracted. It's so annoying. Hold up. So we get that bullish structure. Where was that? Oh yeah. And then I saw price coming up and I was like, should I take partials here? Because 1 to 4 is reached. That's where you usually should take partial. But I was thinking about this structure and liquidity, and we have to move from one liquidity pool to another one. Oh. So therefore, I was like, okay, let's wait. And then I was like, no, you're too greedy. So I took partials at 1 to 4.85 and I let the rest run. And then I was initially targeting this high up here. Why this high? Well, we zoom out again, we can see that we have we have this high over here, and I was targeting that initially, and then I thought to myself like, bro, why didn't you take partial at previous daily high? Because this high is more guaranteed than this high. And then I took, then price came back down. You can see over here, and then it came back up, and I took partials here. And then when I came here, I was just realized I was just impatient. I should have just waited for my target initially. But nonetheless, I banked like 5.2% ish with fees, without fees, including fees. I think it was 5.2, 5.1%. So happy with that. Good stuff, clean stuff. That's how I like it. And that's it. Peace out.